Hi guys! So I thought it'd be fun to take you to my local farmer's market and see if they don't have any fall apples available, because I asked you guys if you wanted to see my apple crisp recipe. I got the pooch with me because after we go there we're going for our walk. My apple crisp recipe, and many of you guys said yes on my Instagram, so I thought it'd be nice to go and get some fresh apples. Hopefully they have them. I know it, like, today's August 31st, so tomorrow's September 1st, so hopefully they'll have some fall things out. So we'll try to go get some fresh apples from the farmer's market. I thought I'd take you there to film a little bit because it's usually absolutely beautiful at the farmer's market this time of year, with all the mums and apples and pumpkins and all of that fun stuff. So I thought I'd take you guys with me. We're supposed to get some really bad storms today because of Ida. So, and we're not gonna get Ida, but we're getting like the rain bands and all that. So I'm trying to beat the bad weather, but it doesn't look very promising. But I wanna get my walk in today too. And I'm sure Mr. Dozer, who lays down every time the car moves, wants to get his walk on too. So I'm going to the farmer's market. I hope I can beat all this before the raindrops come. So let's do it.
I know one thing for sure, I've never been so close before. It's one way or the other.
We're gonna go for a walk. Just wait a minute, I had to get some apples. Say hi! For our morning walk. you can see the sky. It's getting a little, but we're gonna do it before it rains. I can feel the rain coming. It's very, very humid. Like it feels super, super heavy. So I think when we get this, it's gonna be like a downpour. There's Dozer. You guys are always asking me if I take him on walks. Of course I do. Not all the time, but I try to take him as often as I can. Sometimes he's crazy. Come on. So we're gonna finish our walk and then I will go home while it rains. It'll be a perfect day to make some apple crisp. Maybe I can even get something in the crock pot because it's gonna be one of those days. And my dog, he has to smell every single light post. Do you see all the light posts? Takes me forever to walk around the corner because he's got to smell everything. But I guess that's boy dog stuff, right? So we're gonna finish our walk. Hopefully get it in before the sky opens up. I'm so glad I made it to the Dozer, to the farmer's market. Those apples look beautiful. They're gonna make beautiful apple crisp. So I'm really excited. So I'm gonna pick up the pace, get this walk finished, and I'll see you at home.
I've said it many times, I know.
Now I'm stuck in my car. It's pouring. We made it, but we didn't make it home in time. Dozer is really, really hot. He's like, please, I need a drink of water. But it's pouring. So either I'm gonna make a run for it, or I'm gonna sit here for a few minutes. But it's really, really hot. As you can see, my windows are steaming up because it's really, really hot. Now that we're home safe, I had to change my clothes. I'm ready to start making the apple crisps. So the first thing I gotta do is get these beautiful apples washed. They look fabulous. I think they're gonna make the best apple crisp.
I would change my ways, I know for sure. When all the crows decide to meet, they settle down beneath my feet. I've got it right and I got it wrong, but I learned my lesson hanging on. Come sit here with me by the fire and let it go for a little while. So be here as the night starts falling. Let my fingers walk over your head. We got nothing to be scared of. I'd rather be with you than by myself. Now all is in your hands. Control will lead me to an ending road, and
Okay guys, we're going to start dressing the apples now. The exact recipe will be down in the description box, but we're going to put directly on the apples some cinnamon, nutmeg, and brown sugar. And then for the crisp part of the apples, we're going to take some breakfast oatmeal and some melted butter and butter pats and make the crispy part for the apples. And then we're going to bake it in the oven at 350 for 45 minutes to an hour till it is golden, bubbly, crispy, and smelling delicious.
Just like fire.
Tonight, but you don't seem to forget about yourself. Wondering how it could go so wrong, but you didn't call for help. But let me tell you about the trees and the seas, how it's all connected. The flowers and the birds and bees, and all the lights, yeah, we're all affected. oxygen. Pray, pray, pray. I'm breathing in. I'm breathing out. So here's a reminder to look at life that's pouring into you. And so my friend, let me tell you once again, and you know that it's true. Forget about seeing it or hearing it, in the end you must feel. Forget about all you know, you need to grow, it's okay to let go. Just let it go, go, go. Then you're breathing in.
Thanks for watching, lovies. I'm so happy that you came over to my channel today to check out this video. I hope you really enjoyed it. Tell me down in the comments if you think you're going to try this beautiful fall recipe. It is so delicious. I don't think your family will mind at all. It was so yummy. I would love to hear from you guys. Thanks again for coming over. Remember that I love you, but God loves you more. Have a great, blessed day. I'll talk to you soon, and remember to take care of you. I'll be talking to you in the next one. Until then, as I always say, whether God has blessed you with a mobile home or mansion, be thankful for whatever He has given you, and I know He'll bless you with more. Love you guys. Talk to you soon. Bye.